Good morning, students. Last class I taught you time lesson. Okay, ma. Today also we will see the related topics 5.1 calculating time. Okay. See, ma, in this lesson we will discuss fast, slow, less time and more time. Okay. See here, who will win? Animals in the zoo wants to know who runs faster. Okay. They run a race. Guess the winner. See one picture available. Only we have the picture. Okay. Squirrel, donkey, elephant, lion and a horse. Okay. These animals are participating in the race. Okay. Now observe the picture and who will win the race. Okay. Tell me, ma, who will win the race? Here is the border. So horse is the nearest here. Okay, so this horse is win the race. Okay, ma, because it is only first. Okay, so it can run fastly. Okay, so horse is win the race. Okay, ma. Topic ma, fast, slow. Okay, fast, slow. Already you know these meanings. See, boiling of milk takes less time. Okay, see here milk available. Okay, boiling of milk. Okay, so it will take how many minutes? More than 5 minutes. Okay, so milk boil means it will take 5 minutes. Okay, so boiling of milk takes less time. Next, conversion of milk to curd takes more time. Okay, now we want to prepare what? Curd. Okay, ma. So, in milk we will add some curd means it will change into curd. Okay, so conversion of milk to curd takes more time. So curd we want means it will take how many hours? Okay, so 6 hours, 7 hours. Okay, it will take hours time. Okay, ma. So conversion of milk to curd takes more time. Okay, see here, boiling of milk is less time and conversion of milk to curd takes more time. We want to prepare curd means it will take 7 hours, 6 hours. Next, boiling of milk means it will take 5 minutes. So this one slow, this one fast. Okay, this activity fast, this activity is slow. Sima, next for your practice, tick the action which takes less time. Okay, tick the action which takes less time. Now we want less time. Okay, less time means you will put tick mark. See, traveling from Chennai to Delhi. We want to travel where? Chennai to Delhi. Okay, you use what mode? By flight or train. Okay, so which traveling system takes less time? Okay, see here, by train means it will take more time, but we are using the flight means it will take less time to reach the Delhi. Okay, Chennai to Delhi we want to go means we will use what? Flight. Okay, because flight journeys take less time, so put your tick mark here. Train is take more time. See the second one, reaching the school from your house. Okay, reaching the school from your house. Okay, now we want to go to the school. Okay, so you are use the bicycle or use the by school bus. Okay, so which transport system is very fast? Cycle means it will take what? More time. By bus means it will take what? Less time. Okay, so we want to go to the school means we will use what? School bus. Okay, so it will take less time. This one takes more time. Next, see, painting or coloring. Okay, see here, what is this one? Coloring things available. Okay, ma, painting things. Here, what is this? A picture. Okay, see, a wall, a picture. Okay, ma, so which activity takes more time, which activity takes less time? Think and say. We want to painting this wall means it will take more time. Okay, we want to color this picture means it will take less time. Okay, because wall is more space available, so it will take more time. This is very small picture, so it will take very less time. Okay, so we want less time, so put a tick mark here. See the next one, ma. Making of a tent takes less time. Okay, we want to make the tent means that is take less time than constructing a house. Okay, compared to constructing a house, we making the tent is takes less time. This one takes more time. Okay, see here, we want to make the tent means it will take less time. We want to build the house means it will take more time. Okay. Now listen ma, here the time taken for making a tent can be expressed in hours. Okay. For example, we want to prepare this tent. Okay ma. So it will take 10 hours, 8 hours, 5 hours. Okay. So that is what? Hours. Okay, it will take hours. So we use a clock to measure time. Time measurement means we use what? Hours, minutes and second. Okay, 10 hours, 10 minutes. Likewise, 10 hours, 10 minutes, 10 seconds. Likewise, you are using these measurements. Okay, in clock measurements, we are using the words hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, see the watch the clock here. 10 10 10 hours 10 minutes. Okay, so this one seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. Likewise, clock measurements available. Okay ma, so time calculation means we are using the words hours, minutes and seconds. Okay. Next one ma, the duration of time taken to complete the construction of your house is expressed in months. Okay, see here, we want to build a house means it will take what? Month, 5 month, 10 month, 12 month, likewise it will take. Okay, so here this calculation for we use calendar to express duration in month, weeks and days. Okay, here we used what? Clock. Here we used calendar. Okay, so this house build means it will take for example 10 month, 7 weeks. Okay, otherwise 100 days likewise available. Okay, so we use calendar to express duration means we will use what? Calendar in month, weeks and days. Okay, here we are using what are the words? Month, weeks and days. Okay, calendar means in this calendar has what are the things? In calendar we will see month, what day, okay, which week, everything we are seeing the calendar. Okay, so we use calendar to express duration in months, weeks and days. See my next one, take the appropriate time measuring device. Okay, time measuring device, here two things available. One is clock and another one is calendar. Okay, see what events, summer vacation. Okay, summer holidays available, no, so that will take 1 hour. Summer holiday is 1 hour, summer holiday is 2 hours. Likewise we are getting no, that is what summer holiday means. May month fully we have summer holiday, so that is 30 days. Okay, or 1 month likewise available. So summer vacation means we are using what measurement here? Measuring device is calendar, because May month fully we have the summer holiday, so that is month. So month calculation, put a tick mark here. Next, library time. Okay, in a library 1 day or 2 day fully you are reading the books. No, that is 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hours likewise only available. So library time is we are calculating in the watch, so hours, not a month, not a days. Okay, so that is what? Hours. Measurement is hours. Next one, Pongal celebration. Okay, Pongal celebration we are using 1 hour, 10 hour only. We are celebrate the Pongal celebration. No, okay. So Pongal celebration means we will get 4 days leave. So that is what measurement? Calendar. Okay. So we are using the measuring device is calendar. So put a tick mark here, because we will get 4 days leave. Okay, on Pongal celebration. So that measuring device is calendar, not a clock. Next, morning breakfast. Okay, morning breakfast 2 days you are eating, or 1 day fully you are eating morning breakfast. No, so it will takes time. Okay, 15 minutes, 20 minutes we are eating the breakfast. So put a tick mark here. Okay ma, are you understand this one? See the picture ma. Okay, the 2 members available. Okay, see this boy want to fill this rice bag or big container. Okay, this boy want to fill this small container. Okay, see here, this boy wants to fill this big container and this boy wants to fill this small container. Okay, so who will fill fastly? Okay, say the answer. Who will fill fastly? This boy only fill this container fastly because this one small container. This rice bag or this container is very big. Okay, so it will takes more time to fill. Okay, we want to fill this means it will take more time. But we want to fill this container means easily we can fill. One time only take means it will fill. So this one take less time. This one take more time. Okay, so small containers can be filled faster than big container. Compared to big container, small container can easily fill. Okay, ma? So small containers can be filled faster. Okay, compared to big container, small containers can be filled faster than big container. Okay. Simon, next for your practice, see here, tick the container which takes less time to fill. Okay, which container take less time to fill. Okay, see here, tank, here, tub. Okay, which one we can fill easily. This one very big size, this one very small size. Okay, so this tank we want to fill means it will take more time, but this tub we want to fill means it will take less time, so it will fill quickly. So here put a tick mark for less time containers. So tub can fill easily, so it will take less time. Next, jug and can. Okay, see, compared to this can, we can easily fill this jug because this one small size, this one big size. Okay, so jug only can fill easily, so it will take less time, it will take more time. This can fill means it will take more time. Next, rice sack and paddy. Okay, this rice sack want to fill means it will take more time. Next, this we want to fill this paddy means it will take less time because this one small size, this one very big size. Okay, so rice sack we want to fill means it will take more time, and this we want paddy. Okay, we want to fill means it will take less time. Okay, so less time only we want, so put a tick mark here. Okay, ma, these answers you properly write it in your book. Okay, so page number 48 is the last page of your fifth lesson. Okay, so tomorrow onwards I will take sixth lesson. Okay, ma, so fifth lesson over. Next class we will see sixth lesson. Okay, ma, thank you.